Welcome back to our channel, and today we will show you how we face paint
A princess fairy.
right. And we are going to start with the cheeks. Pink for the cheeks. For this design we are going to use Fusion Palette, this set of colors, an angle brush, next will be white, or use the top. You can paint a heart. Which sparkles would you like for your cheeks? Oh, beautiful. Pink and purple and yellow. The last step we can add is some dots.
Why dots?
So dots make it look like it's magical. So let's add some dots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It looks like snowflakes. Because why does snowflakes?
I have a round brush, so the dots come out very nice and round. Alright, and ta-da! Do you like it?
Yes.
And our fairy princess is ready. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up.
And subscribe.
Thank you.